This seminar तो बहुत बढ़िया था. The introductory talk was excellent. Training methodology was superb. What I liked best was that for the last 30 years I have been looking for this kind of a training session or this kind of a product. It is not available there in the market at all. I am very, very happy to sort of see that such a product and such a trainer is available in the market. So the training methodology is very good. I am looking forward to learning from this experience. Thank you.